Hey, have you ever wondered what happened with an apple if you microwave it? Yeah, that I was thinking on now. What happened if I microwave an apple? Kommer it survive at all? Yeah, that I kommer figure out now. This is really $1300 challenge. So you go. And yeah, now I should take a microwave apple and see what happened. Maybe it tastes great, maybe it tastes horrible. But yeah. Now I should see it. I wonder what kommer happen. Apple is in microwave. Two minutes. And if not anything happen, then I come and edit this fast. So yeah. Uh, 2 minutes done. I come and press it in the microwave again for 3 more minutes. So it will be 5 minutes. And see what happened. Yeah, it is hot, but not much more different. So in again I go. What it? 3 more minutes. Three more minutes. It's sound. Yeah, here we go. It smells almost som apple pie. Hot, 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 hot. The water have started to come out, and it has burst open. Ow, 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 ow. Yeah. I probably should let it cool down for maybe 5 minutes and then see how it are. It have a burst open. Yeah. Yeah, I think it have a cold off and look now. It smell almost som, ja, apple pie or what I was say. It have a much water on the fat too. It is not hard anymore. That I can say. It don't smell too bad, but I wonder how they taste it. If I can get a bit of it. Som it tastes som apple pie almost. Som en apple kommer in the pie. I did not write me, it should be this. Yeah, I can. I almost write me it maybe it's a bust or something, but yeah. It did leak some water in the micro, but yeah. What happened? What the apple replaces in micro? It be the not hard anymore. That I can say. So this is what happened when you place an apple in a micro. It don't taste bad or that, but yeah, it loses the hardness. Så ja, this be for this video. Amore video kommer in future. In next video I think I shall do. Maybe I shall do yellow long thing. Yeah. However. Nå må jeg komme en der video her. For fint så skal jeg få more videos in future. And yeah. Bye for now. Bye.